Hello, students, and my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, CGAT Maths. Myself, Dr. Suresh Biradar. In this video, we are going to discuss an example based on Fourier series f of x is equal to x divided by x in the interval 0 to pi, 2 pi minus x in the interval pi to 2 pi. Please go through my previous videos based on Fourier series. I have done already 3 videos. One is f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2 and f of x is equal to x square, and one more is f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x by pi in the interval minus pi to 0, and 1 minus 2x by pi in the interval 0 to pi. Please watch those videos, then you will get better idea. So in this example also, look at the range here. So what is the range here? The range is, so that is a 0 to. Okay, first, as usual, you can write the Fourier series of f of x. Fourier series is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity a n into cos nx plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. And we are going to write the value of a naught, an and bn. A naught, an and bn, students. Okay. Before writing the value of a naught, an and bn, now let us discuss the odd and even nature in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Let us discuss odd and even nature in the interval 0 to 2 pi. In the last video, we have discussed odd and even nature in the interval minus pi to pi. Okay. In this case, in the interval 0 to 2 pi, how to decide that the given function f of x is odd and f of x is even, student. So it is very easy. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to substitute x by 2 pi minus x. If you get f of x, we say that even function. So if I replace x by 2 pi minus x and you got minus of f of x, we say that it is odd function in case of f of x. So here we have a function f of x in terms of a cases. How to decide here? Again, it is also a very easy one. Okay. To decide, now we have f of x is equal to, first one is phi of x, second one is xi of x. First one is expressed in the interval 0 to pi, second one in the interval pi to. So in this case, what will happen? The phi of 2 pi minus x is equal to xi of x, we say that it is even. Otherwise, if phi of 2 pi minus x equal to minus xi of x, we say that it's odd function. So look at here. First one is we have phi of x. What is phi of x? Phi of x is equal to just x, and xi of x is equal to 2 pi minus x. So now let us substitute x is replaced by 2 pi minus x. So it will become right side x is replaced by 2 pi minus x, which is the same as xi of x. The conclusion is it's a even function. So if the function f of x, the case is even, then bn become 0, and we need to find out only a naught and an value. Now I am going to write the value of a naught and an. So what is the value of a naught and a n, students? A naught value is 2 by pi. Integral runs from 0 to pi f of x into dx, and a n value is 2 by pi. Integral runs from 0 to pi f of x into cos nx. So let us find out this value. So a naught is equal to 2 by pi. So integral runs from 0 to pi. F of x value in the interval 0 to pi. 0 to pi is x only into dx. You can able to observe also. Okay. The interval 0 to pi, it is x. So now it is equal to 2 by pi. The integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to. So which is equal to 2 by pi. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit, pi square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. So this is totally 2 by pi is pi square by 2. 2 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, you will get just pi. So a naught equal to pi, then a naught by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Now let me find out the value of an. 2 by pi. Integral runs from 0 to pi. F of x value is x in the interval 0 to pi into cos nx dx. So 2 by pi, use Bernoulli's rule. First function integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x is 1. Integration of sin is minus cos nx divided by n square between the limits 0 to pi. Next derivative is 0 to. Fine, students. Now let me answer. Sin function is 0 for upper limit pi as well as lower limit. So you have only second term minus minus plus. This is 2 by pi into 1 by n square, you can take outside. Substitute upper limit cos n pi minus cos 0. So 2 by n square pi into cos n pi value is minus 1 whole raised to n, cos 0 is 1. Okay. So this is the value of an. Fine. Now we need to substitute in f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to a naught by 2 is pi by 2 plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity. A n value is 2 by n square pi into minus 1 whole raised to n minus 1 into cos nx, and bn value is already 0. Now students, we require to obtain the series. For that we need to substitute, or first you can expand. Okay. That is f of x is equal to pi by 2 plus here 2 by pi is outside. Okay. Uh, Student, as I told you already, we need to get in this form, that is 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2 form. For that, just you expand, or before expanding, just look at n runs from 1 to infinity. This value, that is minus 1 whole raised to n minus 1 value for odd number is minus 2, even is 0. Okay, now I am going to substitute here is minus 2 into cos of, so f of x is equal to, this is f of x equal to 5 by 2 minus plus minus 2 to the 4 by pi into summation n runs from 1 to infinity. We can expand this series, is 4 by pi, and you can expand for n is equal to 1. So they're left with here n square and substitute, or first you can write, then only you can expand. Here n square. This is summation n runs from 1 to infinity, 1 by n square into cos n. So therefore finally f of x equal to pi by 2 minus 4 by pi. You expand the series. This is cos x by 1 square. The series cos here n runs from here 1 3 5, because for odd only it is minus 2, for even which is 0, to substitute odd values only 1 3 5 so on. So cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square plus so on. This is the required result. To reduce the series, we need to substitute x is equal to 0. To reduce the series, we're going to substitute x equal to 0. Okay. Substitute x equal to 0 and observe. Left side is f of 0 is pi by 2 minus 4 by pi into cos 0 is 1, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Okay. So what is f of 0? F of 0 is, look at f of x is equal to, which is x and 2 pi minus x. First one for 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi. So when x equal to 0 means first value is considered. So f of 0 is, this is 0 only. So 0, this is minus pi square by 2. Transform to left side, minus 4 by pi to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square. Minus minus get cancel, cross multiply it. You will get pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square. The required result. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.